In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively archive and manage your chats using ChatGPT to keep your conversation list neat and organized. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process from start to finish. First, you'll want to open up ChatGPT. To do this, simply navigate to your web browser and type in chat.openai.com. Once there, just log in as you normally would by entering your username and password. It's important to remember that the login process ensures that you have secure access to your information and past conversations. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of all your past conversations. This chat list is where you can easily review any of your previous interactions with ChatGPT, which is convenient if you need to refer back to any previous information or continue an ongoing conversation. Next, find the conversation that you want to archive. Move your mouse over to the chat title. As you hover over it, you'll notice that a three-dot options menu will appear. This little feature is quite handy for managing your chats more effectively. Once you've got the options menu visible, click on it and you'll see an option that says Archive Chat. Go ahead and select this option. By doing so, the chat disappears from your main list. But don't worry, it's not gone forever. This action simply tucks the conversation away, keeping your main chat list clean and reducing clutter, but your chat remains saved and can be accessed anytime you need it. If you ever want to access your archived chats, just scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar. Here you'll find an option labeled Archived. Click on that and you'll be able to see all the chats you've archived. From this section, you have the flexibility to view any conversation you've stored away, restore any if needed, or even delete older conversations if you've decided they're no longer needed. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you'll be able to keep your ChatGPT conversations well organized, ensuring that your chat list is tidy and always in order. Managing your digital communication has never been easier. Remain in control of your information by using this simple archiving feature provided by ChatGPT, making it a breeze to keep everything at your fingertips without overwhelming your main chat interface. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you better organize your chats effectively.